So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix your classic Outlook stuck on try to connect. So guys, if you're facing such type of issue, so this video help you to troubleshoot to resolving this problem, try to connect error in your classic Outlook. So to fix this issue, guys, first of all you verify your internet connectivity. A weak or unstable internet connection is the common cause for this problem. Users should test their connection by attempting to load a website in the browser. If the web page is failed, so maybe the problem is with your internet connection. Okay. After that, guys, you disable work offline mode. So Outlook cannot connect it to the mail server if the application is set to the work offline. For this, open your application. After open the application, click on the option of settings, then find the offline option, and guys, here you see the offline option and you just turn it off. Okay, still having the issue? So guys, force close the application. If the problem persists, user can force to close the application to stop the unnecessary background. So for this, you simply press Ctrl Shift Skip button from the task manager and select your application, then right click on it and guys, end your task. Okay, so it also help you to refresh your application. Still having the issue? So guys, you try to restart the computer. In the previous step, do not resolve this issue. The final recommendation is restart your application, sorry, computer. For this, simply click on the task start button, click on the power button and restart your computer. So guys, these are the basic things that you can done to resolve this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.